Let's do this. Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Emily Freibler. If you are new here, welcome, and please don't forget to subscribe down below before you leave. But today's video is going to be all about my hair care and how I basically get multiple days between washing my hair. First, I'm going to share with you all the products that I use to make my hair look good after it's been 1 to 3 days without washing it. I've gone probably, the most I've gone is probably 5 or 6 days without washing my hair, and then it gets time where I'm like, I just need to wash this. It gets a lot of buildup and things like that. So I think I washed my hair let's see, 2 to 3, probably 3 days ago. So I'm getting on the further end of it, which is good for the purpose of this video because I can really show you what I do. So the first thing you need is a really good dry shampoo, and I have tried so many dry shampoos from the drugstore because you know me, I don't like to spend a lot of money on my hair care or makeup. So I love Batiste Dry Shampoo, and I know a lot of people love it as well, and it's for good reason. Like, it works so well. It actually makes your hair feel cleaner. It doesn't make your hair, like, I don't know, some of them weigh the hair down really bad, and also some of them just don't really absorb the oil and make your hair feel good afterwards. So I love the Batiste Dry Shampoo. I really like this one, which is the tropical scent. I think some of the different scents don't work as well. The tropical one works really well. The original one works really well. And then I think I have another one. So far, I really like this Clean and Light Bare one from Batiste, which looks like this. And then this is the tropical one. Obviously, you can tell by the tropical one it's tropical because it has flamingos on it. So I'm going to use... I'll probably use this one today, the smaller one. I get these huge bottles. See how there's a size difference? I get the huge bottles from TJ Maxx, and this was $9.99. And then this one is from Ulta, I believe. They had a sale where it was like half off or something, so my mom got a bunch. So I basically start by parting my hair a little bit and spray it in the part. And then I keep parting it and keep spraying. And then I'll, you know, messy it up a little bit. Not really messy it up, but I'm going to work it through there so that the product really absorbs in there. And then also the white residue kind of goes away because I do have dark hair, but this is a white residue. So you want to hold it away from your head, you know, like, I don't know, 8-10 inches, and just spray it along the part and mess it up. This is also going to help you get a lot of volume too because it is that product in your roots. So I basically do it everywhere that shows. I mean, all along my part, this side here. Anywhere that feels nice and greasy, that's where you want to do it. Make sure also to get back here. I feel like people will forget to do back here on their head. And that definitely shows if you have your hair down at all or anything. Then I kind of just work it through. And then I also use a wet brush. This one is gross. I know. It's disgusting. But it shows that I use it. So then I just brush my hair through to work all this stuff in. If you don't want to brush your hair because you have like some waves left. Like I have a little bit of waves left, but they were getting really knotted and natty and gross because I did these 2 days ago, I think. Then you don't have to brush your hair through, but it will help the product work down the strands of your hair. And I like this wet brush because it has little flexible bristles that work really well. So look at all that volume. Another thing, if you don't have Batiste Dry Shampoo, but you're in a pinch and you're like, I need something to absorb the oil. I really don't have time to wash my hair. Oops. I really don't have time to wash my hair, but I need something to absorb the oil and you can't wear a hat or something. Go for cornstarch. Cornstarch all the way works wonders for the hair. I actually didn't use Batiste for a while because I was just using cornstarch. You literally just unscrew it. It's white as hell, so be careful with it. I dip my fingers in it. I'll put a little bit in here. I dip my fingers in it. I'm trying to find a little bit of a more oily spot. And then I just work it through. You have to be careful if you have dark hair like me though, because obviously it can look a little bit white if you aren't careful. But this really helps absorb the oils. It is so inexpensive. Look at this huge tub that I have here and works wonders. But not really travel friendly, so if you're traveling, I would go for the Batiste Dry Shampoo. Obviously, if you have hair that is really greasy, a great hairstyle with some dry shampoo is a nice messy bun. I use these whatever these are called. I don't know. These type of hair ties. I don't even know what these are called, but they work so great. I have been obsessed with them lately because they don't pull on my hair as much. So I just get my hair up in a bun like that, or in a ponytail like that, and I wrap it around. And I wrap this around a few times. And then I pull it out. And voila. I do this messy bun probably 3 days out of every single week. So this is one hairstyle that I love and I use and abuse all the time. Or just a simple ponytail. Like, you can get away with more greasy hair if you have your hair in a bun or a ponytail because it's like textured and I don't know, it looks great. Even with just a little bit of dry shampoo. There's times where I can't get away with wearing my hair down with a little bit of dry shampoo, but I can get away with it in a bun or a ponytail. Then another easy hairstyle that well, not really a hairstyle, but a go-to when you have messy or dirty hair, not messy hair, when you have dirty hair. I guess when you have messy hair, you could do that, is hats. You could do a beanie or a ball cap or a beret, something like that. You don't have to worry about this area of your hair, just the bottom. You could braid it, you could curl it just at the ends because, you know, usually that's not oily. It's usually just your scalp. Let's just take a simple beanie, for instance. Put this on. I kind of work through my ends a little bit. And I honestly kind of like the messier look of hair, especially if you have like a shorter hair or even long hair. If you sleep with your hair in a braid and then you just put a beanie in the morning, so cute. Or you could take this and just kind of, my hair's not long enough really to do this anymore, but I used to like put a little bun right here, and I thought that looked really cute, especially with a ball cap. That is adorable. You could braid it to the side. You could do little pigtails that are braided right here. Oh, that's so cute. So that's just an idea of how I get through days with not washing my hair. Now I'm going to show you how I achieve my clean looking hair when I've really gone like 4 days without it, with my hair down. That is probably the biggest challenge I've come to when it comes to dry shampoo and not washing my hair, is like, how do I wear my hair down and still get that clean feeling, or not even clean feeling, because it's really not going to feel that clean, just being honest with you, but it's going to look clean and you're going to get by with having a nice hairdo. And actually it helps a lot because there is volume in your hair, which is so nice. One thing to watch out for when you are not washing your hair a lot is you want to add some more moisture to your hair. So a good oil that you only have to use like a tiny bit of, or something like that will really help. So I'm just going to use this spray one, which is from Ebates. It's the Main Magic 10-in-1 Primer. Has argan oil and sunflower seed oil, just to kind of condition the hair and protect the hair as well. It's just a little sample bottle like this. I will obviously link everything down below. And so I'm just going to do a few spritzes of that on the ends of my hair only. You don't want to add to the oiliness at the top of your hair. Work it through with a brush. Oh, I haven't even had my curling iron plugged in this whole time. That's good. Okay, so I heated my curling iron up. This is just the Remington curling one. I think it's like the Pearl edition or something. It's super small and tapered. It's great because my curls last a really long time with this and I don't have to have it held on there for very long, but I wish I could find a bigger barrel. They like don't really make a bigger barrel of this, which drives me nuts. I love to curl my hair when my hair is old, like, no, what? My hair is dirty, because it like disguises the dirtiness. Like, I swear when my hair is straight, you can definitely tell it looks more greasy, and I don't know. So I just like to curl it. I just run the curling one through it, put it on there for a few seconds, take it off, and I like to do waves. You could do curls. You could do whatever you want. You could just do a more textured look. Anything that's going to kind of make your hair have more texture, I think hides the dirtiness a lot better. So I just run a wand through my hair really quickly. You guys know how to curl your hair. It's pretty self-explanatory, but I thought I would kind of show you me doing a few pieces, and then I will show you kind of how I get by after I curl my hair, and like different tips and tricks if your hair still looks kind of greasy at the front. So I will be back once my hair is all curled. Hello, I'm back. So my hair is all curled, as you can tell. So now we gotta add some va-va-voom, in my opinion. Like, you could leave it like this, but I think you should add some volume. So I use the spray clay from Style Sexy Hair. It's like it's Style Sexy Hair spray clay, and it has 1 shine and 7 hold. It's just basically a texturizing spray. So I shake this up, and then I spray it upwards. I lift my hair, spray upwards. And then kind of mess it around. You could also back comb your hair a little bit if you want. Make it nice and fluffy, which I really like. And then again, that's going to hide this situation if it's a little bit greasy looking, which mine isn't really right now, surprisingly. The difference over here is it's a lot more fluffy. And this is so great because it doesn't make your hair feel like super gritty or weird, which I really like. So again, just spray it, and then you can back comb if you want. Just a little bit, not like a lot of back combing, just a little. And then if you still feel like your front pieces are laying weird or whatever, you could always, you know, pull it back like this, or you could I like to twist the front pieces like this sometimes, and then pin it here. Different things like that help with your hair just looking better, in my opinion, and looking fresher. Also, another thing you could do is put a hat on right now. Curl your hair, it looks nice and cute, and then it's nice and volumized, and then you put a little beanie on. How cute does that look? So yeah, you guys, that is how I went from that really droopy looking hair to this nice styled hair. And it has probably been 3 days since I washed my hair. And like I said, I usually go 4 or 5 days. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And also tell me your tips and tricks for how you go really long without washing your hair. I would love to know. And yeah, I think that is it for this video. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.